Good afternoon, everyone. This is meteorologist Chad Omet with the National Weather Service in Topeka with a video briefing on what we expect to occur through Saturday into Saturday night across northeast Kansas. We expect periods of wintry precipitation to begin later tonight, and that could turn to snow later Saturday afternoon. There could actually be a lull in all of the precipitation come late morning on Saturday, lasting through early afternoon before the snow actually overspreads the area, so be aware of that. The mixture of precipitation will start later tonight, mainly after 9 p.m. Snow would hold off until after about 3 o'clock on Saturday. Peak intensity for snowfall, snow rates anywhere from 3 p.m. to maybe midnight Saturday, ending there about on midnight Saturday night. This is the area where we expect light freezing precipitation to be possible later tonight across the parts of east central southeast Kansas. Areas shaded in green, we expect better chances for some light freezing rain, freezing drizzle with some very light ice accumulations, perhaps up to 1/10 of an inch. Up to the north here in the peach shading, we expect even lighter amounts, maybe a glazing of ice, especially come 6 a.m. or so on Saturday morning. That said, the winds overnight tonight into early tomorrow, very, very light, less than 10 miles an hour, and so impacts should be mitigated because of the light winds. Anywhere from about 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., we may see lingering freezing precipitation across these areas here, shaded in peach and green. And really, we're expecting, as I mentioned, light winds, and by 10 a.m., mid to late morning, air temperatures should be above freezing. So we expect any ice accumulations that would occur to certainly be mitigated and melt off by late morning across these areas. Now, by late afternoon, we do expect snow to overspread from southwest towards the northeast across all of the area. The map that you see right here really suggests that the entire area is potentially going to see some accumulating snow after about 3 p.m. on Saturday afternoon, lasting into Saturday night, probably until around midnight or so. We could pick up a quick 1 to 3 inches in that time period across the area. How much ice and snow are we forecasting? We can see here on the left image right here, perhaps up to 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulations overnight and very early Saturday across parts of southeast, east central Kansas. Lighter amounts along the northwest periphery from Topeka towards Manhattan, and that should melt off by late morning as well. Now, we do expect anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in the darker blue shading, and really this whole area may be pulled a bit further south and east with time as well. Really, if you're in the Garnett area, Emporia, Abilene, Manhattan, Topeka, all of these areas have the potential of seeing 1 to 3 inches of snow later Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. The main impacts from this system really could be felt on Saturday night and early Sunday, believe it or not, as the snowfall that does fall will be aided by some stronger northwest winds later Saturday night. And temperatures are actually forecast to fall into the single digits above zero. And so any melting that would occur during the day and the evening on Saturday, that would refreeze on roadways into early Sunday morning. So that's something we want to be aware of too, as even though the system will move away, the travel may still be hazardous come Sunday morning with this system. There still is some uncertainty in the exact path this storm system will take, and so snowfall amounts and precipitation amounts may vary. So certainly stay tuned to later forecasts from the National Weather Service Topeka for this system over the next 24 hours.